What is that?
Shoe.
It's not shoe. Is that a lizard? Is that a caterpillar? Let's see. What's puppies?
Puppy to me.
What?
Puppy.
Puppy?
No. Puppy to me.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. Hey, fuck.
What? What did you just say?
Puppy.
Oh, puppy? That
Puppy.
sounds different than what you said a minute ago.
Puppy.
That kind of sounded like you said a dirty word.
Book.
What?
Book.
Book? Book's okay.
Puppy to me. Puppy.
Oh, there's a puppy. You're right.
Puppy to me.
Puppy?
Fuck.
What?
Fuck. Fuck.
No, that's a tree. Are you mad that you didn't? No, that would be a tree. It's okay though that you didn't know that was a tree because you're just a baby.
Fuck.
No, that is a caterpillar. Do you know what that is? What's that? Is that a lizard?
A puppy.
Oh, there's a puppy. There's a puppy too. And puppy. They're all puppies. What's that? Is that a frog? Where's the frog? What's that?
Fuck.
What? Is that a frog? Can you say frog?
Puppy.